Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart in this channel. This is an educational and motivational, informative public speaking communication channel, which always expects to just transform your personality and give you that skill, give you the power to just do the public speaking and be a vocal and be the local of the vocal. Today I was going through this book and I found a very interesting point. Since childhood we have been just discussing and talking about this, the horizon of knowledge. Here a very good quotation has been mentioned by Benjamin Franklin. If a man empties his purse into his head, if a man spends his money, empties his purse into his head, no man can take it away from him. No man can take it away from him. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. An investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. If you invest for your knowledge, if you spend for your knowledge to gain skill, to gain knowledge and information, it will always pay you today or tomorrow. And that's why it's mandatory for us to always spend some of the amount, some of the income of ours, for our knowledge and transformation. Here, often you talk about words such as knowledge, information, or learning. And if you happen to be a college-going student, you are sure that the subjects and books you are studying will help expand the horizon of knowledge. In your scheme of things, the knowledge you learn during academic years will help you secure a decent job. So most of you are ready to use knowledge as a tool or weapon or mechanism or power to grab a lucrative job and position. This is not a bad idea at all, and that is what every educated professional has done or is doing. Knowledge is power because it gives you power, wealth, and prestige in one go. Always from the metric, from the LKG, UKG, lower kindergarten, upper kindergarten to the universities and colleges, you take knowledge, you take information. Why? To just transform your personality for a decent job, for a decent business, to transform your personality, to just gain something for yourself. Exactly, you need to understand. However, talking of knowledge seems sacred or holy to you, or that is a great thing, which is invisible yet very powerful, even though you might not be using it that way, or did you ever feel that way? Most of you will say yes in response to the question whether knowledge influences your personality, even though majority of you will not be able to explain as how it affects. Most of the people don't understand that every time, every second, every moment you are learning something from the books, from the observations from the people, interactions, meetings, colleges, classes. You have been just learning a lot of things, but you don't understand because it's not a direct knowledge. My friends, you are watching this video, you are learning something. My friends, I'm making this video, I'm learning something. My friends, I'm just on this roof, on this terrace, I'm learning something. It means we always keep on learning because our mind is always waking up and just tries to always observe the knowledge and information. And that's why I'd like to tell you, there are different types of learning: collaborative learning, cooperative learning, discovery-based learning, problem-based learning, engaged learning, strategic learning, creative learning. There are different type of learnings. And here I would like to tell you, many and more things have been mentioned in this book about the knowledge and information, but I can't tell you all. But here I would like to tell you a few things: training methods for adult learners, icebreakers, warm-ups and inclusion activities, brainstorming, group memory, case studies, demonstration with practice, panels and forums, lecture, small group work session, facilitating group work, jigsaw learning, putting the pieces together, evaluation, resource library. What is knowledge, understanding and wisdom? Knowing is not enough, we must apply. If we know a lot of things, if we don't apply these things for our real lives, just in the real life and the practical mode, it's useless. It's just a piece of cake that we can't cut for our birthday. And that's why knowledge, according to a Merriam-Webster dictionary, knowledge is the fact or condition of knowing something with familiarity gained through experience or association, or acquaintance with our understanding of a science, art, or technique, or the fact or condition of being aware of something, or the sum of what is known, or the body of truth, information and principles acquired by mankind. On the basis of the various meanings, we can define knowledge as the awareness and understanding of facts, truths, or information gained in the form of experience or or learning. Knowledge is an appreciation of the position of interconnected details which in isolation are of lesser values. Knowledge refers to what one knows and understands. Knowledge is sometimes categorized as unstructured, structured, explicit or tacit. What we know is explicit knowledge. Knowledge that is unstructured and understood but not clearly expressed is implicit knowledge. If the knowledge is organized and easy to share, when it is called structured knowledge. To convert implicit knowledge into the explicit knowledge, it must be extracted and formatted. My friends, illicit knowledge, explicit knowledge. My friends, unstructured knowledge and structured knowledge, there is a huge difference. When you just share something, when you understand something easily, when you can convince people easily about your knowledge, about that information, that is exactly, that is exactly the structured knowledge, structured information. And we have to be very structured about our knowledge. We have to be very structured about our presentation. We have to be well structured about our public speaking. We have to be well structured about our ideas and our values and thoughts and expressions and belief and trust, my friends. This is really very important for all of us to understand. And knowledge. Always try to learn something, adopt something from different environments, because this life is for gaining, experiencing, observing and taking. Thank you very much. Share this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.